Hello, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Subhash Sahu, Associate Professor, Department of Drabegun. In the continuation of the e-learning process, today we are going to discuss about the plant Tulsi in the Crimigna group after the plant Bidang. Tulsi. Botanically, this plant is known as Ocimum sanctum. It belongs to Lamiaceae family, and in Hindi, as you know, it is known as Tulsi. In English, it is named as holy basils or sacred basils. Tulsi is known as the incomparable one. It means it is the mother medicine of nature and the queen of herbs. So it is referred as elixir of life, which promotes longevity. Then from the Vedic period, the plant Tulsi has a rich and fanciful history. It has multi-purpose utility. It has been the herb royal to the French, a sign of love by Italians, and a sacred herb in India. It is one of such medicinal plants having numerous medicinal properties. There are several species like Ocimum sanctum, Ocimum tenuifluum, Ocimum tenacissimum. There are so many species are found in the name of Tulsi. In ancient Hindu scripture, the plant Tulsi occupies the supreme positions among the herbs. So it is referred as mother. The ancient works of Padma Puran and Tulsi Kavacham it described as Tulsi as a protector of life, accompanying the human beings from birth to death. All the parts of Tulsi are used medicinally and it is considered as sacred. Even the soil around the plant is also holy. The Padma Puran declares a person who is cremated with the Tulsi twigs in his funeral, the person gains moksha, or it is a place in Vishnu abode in Vaikuntha. If a Tulsi stick is used to burn a lamp for Vishnu, it is like offering the gods with lakhs of lamps. If one makes a paste of Tulsi leaves and smear it over the body and worship Vishnu, it is worth several ordinary pujas and lakhs of godana, means donation of lakh of cows. Water mixed with the tulsi leaves is given to the dying person to raise their departing souls to heaven. The presence of tulsi plant symbolized the religious band of a Hindu family. A Hindu household is considered incomplete if it does not have a tulsi plant in the courtyard. In different states, it is known as tulsi, tulsa, holy basils, etc. Then synonyms. Synonyms, there are so many synonyms available in classical books of Ayurveda, like Opetarakshasi. It means it repels the evil organisms. Then Bahumanjari, it has numerous spikes in its flower. Chakra Pushpi, flowers are set densely in a circle. Devadundavi, it, its flowers are looks like a trumpet. Gramya, it is a very common plant which is found easily in every villages. Kayastha, it maintains the body by alleviating lots of diseases. Putapatre, the leaves of this plant is regarded as sacred. Sulagni, it removes the colic pain. Sulabha, it is easily available. Surabhi, the plant is aromatic. All the plant's parts are aromatic or having fragrance. Surasa, its juice is used to cure many diseases. Swadugandhishada, it has sweet aroma. Then Tulsi, the leaves of this plant is regarded as sacred. Then classifications. In Charaka Samhita, it is mentioned in Swasahar Mahakashaya. Ashtanga, Hridaya, and Sushruta Samhita mentioned in the Surasadi Gana. Dhanvantari Nigantu and Raj Nigantu mention it in Karaviradi Varga. Madanpal Nigantu mention it in Karpuradi Varga. Gadev Nigantu in Aushadhi Varga. And in Vaprakash Nigantu it is mentioned under the Pushpa Varga. Distribution. The plant grows all over the India up to 2000-meter height. It is grown in houses, temples, and gardens. Pasimam samtang is native to India, Iran, and now cultivated in Egypt, France, Hungary, Italy, USA, etc. It is naturally found in wild in the tropical and subtropical region of the world. Basil thrives in warm and temperate climates. Then morphology. It is erect, aromatic, multiple branches, soft, pubescent annual herbs. Its height is near about 30 to 70 centimeter with a red or purple sub-quadrangular hairy branches. The left side photograph shows the Rama Tulsi, and the right side photograph shows the Shama Tulsi. Rama Tulsi, the leaves are green, Shama Tulsi, the dark colors leaf. The leaves, simple, opposite, and it is 2 to 4 centimeter long. It is elliptical and oblong in shape. It has acute or obtuse apex. Leaves margin are entire or sometimes serrated. Pubescent on both the sides. It is minutely gland dotted. Petals are slender, hairy, and the plants are aromatic. The left side photograph shows the Rama Tulsi. The right side photograph shows the Shama Tulsi. Then flowers. It is tiny, purplish or crimson in color, elongated racemes in closed whorls. Inflorescence is like a long spike, near about 12 to 40 centimeter long. The left side photograph shows the Rama Tulsi. The right side photograph shows the Shama Tulsi. Shama Tulsi is mainly reddish brown in color. Then fruit. The fruits are very small, smooth, subglobose or broadly ellipsoid. It is slightly compressed, pale brown or reddish gray with a very small black seed. It is propagated through seeds. The flowering and fruition are more or less throughout the year. Then types. Mainly 3 types of tulsi are available. One is Rama Tulsi or Rama Tulsi or light Tulsi. Osimum sanctum botanically it is known as Osimum sanctum. Shama Tulsi or Krishna Tulsi or dark Tulsi, it is also botanically Osimum sanctum. The third variety is the Bana Tulsi or Osimum gratissimum. Both the photographs clearly show you the Rama Tulsi and Shama Tulsi. The third one is the Vana Tulsi, but it is rarely available. Other type of Tulsi also Marwa Tulsi, Long Tulsi, Kapur Tulsi are also available. But mainly 3 types of classification are found in almost all the Nigantus. The Ras Pancha, it has Laghu and Ruksha Guna, Katu Tikta Ras, Katu Vipak and Kusna Virya. Then the plant is highly composed of essential oil, methyl cervical, eugenol, stenoil, mucilage, camphene, methyl ethers, beta-cetatol, etc. The bioactive phytochemicals are mainly alkaloids, flavonoids, phenolic acid, essential oils, tannins, and saponins. And action. It has deepen action, Ritya, Ruchya, Kaphavatara properties, but it aggravates the Pitta and it removes the Durgandha. That is also Kasahara, Swasahara properties also. Then the pharmacological action reported for Tulsi. It is antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, hepatoprotective, antiprotozoal, antimalarial, anthelmintic, antidiarrheal, antioxidant, anti-cataract, anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, cardioprotective, anti-arthritic, adaptogenic, anti-diabetic, anti-hypertensive, anti-carcinogenic, analgesic, antipyretic, anti-allergic, immunomodulatory, then memory enhancement, anti-asthmatic, anti-toxic, diaphoretic, anti-thyroid, anti-fertility, anti-ulcers, and anti-stress. An indicator. It mainly indicated in the respiratory tract disorders like spasm, asthma, hiccup, and CASA. And it is also used in asthma, then chhardi or vomiting, and skin diseases, then creamy rog or worm infestations, and eye diseases, parspasul or penile lateral parts. And indication. Different parts of the plants have been used to cure many diseases like common cold, cough, headache, flu, asthma, fever, colic pain, sore throat, bronchitis, hepatic diseases, malaria fever, an antidote for the snake bite, flatulence, headache, fatigue, skin diseases, wound, insomnia, arthritis, influenza, digestive problems, night blindness, and diarrhea. The tulsi act as adaptogen, helps the body and mind to encounter different physical, chemical, emotional, and infectious stress, and it restores the physiological and psychological function. Seeds are mainly used in the genitourinary systems like burning, micturition, dysphoria, etc. Then infusion of the leaves is used as stomatic in gastric and hepatic disorders of children. Then fresh roots, stems, and leaves are applied to the bites of the mosquito. The oil extracted from its leaves is reported to be possess antibacterial, anti-insecticidal properties and is effectively used as mosquito repellent. Then therapeutic indication. First one is the external uses. It is mainly used in brana. Sprinkling of the juice of surasadi gana drugs or paste of lasun removes the maggots from the food. Then earache or karnasula. While cooked with surasadi gana dravya should be filled in the ear. It reduces the earache or pain. And kushta. Nimbadi pralep in which tulsi ingredient is used locally to treat the skin diseases. Then graying of the hairs, Sahacharadi Taila is used externally in which tulsi is one of the ingredients. Then Kandu or urticaria, external application of the juice of tulsi is used to cure urticaria. Then internal uses, it is mainly used in kasa. Juice of black tulsi is taken with honey to cure kaphaja kasa. Tulsi is mainly used in the pediatric disorders like fever and cough. Lavanga, tulsi, and tankana are pounded together and given to the child. Then creamy. The drops of surasadi gana should be taken separately with honey in creamy room. Then Visham Jwara intermittent fever. Juice of tulsi or dronapushpi mixed with the marich powder should be taken to control the intermittent fever. Then Makal Sula. Postpartum pain. Juice of the leaves of black tulsi mixed with honey and given with wine to remove the postpartum pain. Then parts use and dose. Mainly leaves, seed, and sometimes whole plants are used for medicinal purpose. Its dosage is 5 to 10 ml in juice form, 1 to 3 grams in powder form. In formulation, Jwara Samharak Ras, Tribhuvan Kirti Ras, Mukta Panchamrit, Mahajwarankusha Ras, Muktadi Mohanjan, then Manas Mitra Vatak. And the leaves of the other species of Osimum are mainly used as adulterant with the genuine drugs. Thank you.